Hi guys, welcome back to Social Nerd. I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to block people from viewing your stories on Snapchat. For this, first off, open up your Snapchat app. As you open up your app, you can see a profile icon on your top left corner. Tap on it. After you have posted your story, you can view your story by tapping on My Story. To block people from seeing your story on Snapchat, you'll have to tap on three dots besides My Story, which is on the right side. You can see the option of story settings. Tap on it. Now tap on custom. Select anyone you'd like to block from seeing your Snapchat story. And when you're done, tap block. After you tap on it, this way you can block people from viewing your stories on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.